Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step 7 tips and tricks to speed up on Samsung Galaxy A07. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Update your Samsung software. First, always keep your phone up to date. Unlock your Galaxy phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Software Update, then select Download and Install. This will check for any new system updates. If an update is available, install it. Software updates often fix bugs and optimize performance, helping your device run smoother and faster. Method 2. Remove unused or heavy apps. Next, free up storage by removing apps you don't use. Go to Settings, then scroll down and tap on the apps, scroll through your list, and look for large or rarely used apps. Tap on an app, select Uninstall, and confirm. This will clear unnecessary data and free up valuable space on your phone. Method 3. Turn off Always On Display AOD. The Always On Display feature looks great, but it consumes battery and processing power. To turn it off, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on the lock screen menu, and then go to the Always On Display and toggle it off. You'll notice improved battery life and smoother performance. Method 4. Reset app preferences for performance. Sometimes misconfigured app settings can slow down your device. Open Settings, then scroll down again and go to Apps. Then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Choose Reset App Preferences and confirm by tapping Reset. This restores app permissions and settings without deleting data. Method 5. Use Battery Saver or Performance Mode. To optimize speed, open Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery and choose either Battery Saver or Performance Mode depending on your needs. Battery Saver conserves power, while Performance Mode enhances speed and responsiveness. Method 6. Turn off Dual Messenger. Dual Messenger allows you to use 2 accounts for the same app, but it can drain resources. Go to Settings, then scroll down and open the Advanced Features, then go to Dual Messenger and toggle off any activated apps if you do not use it. Method 7. Reset all settings. Finally, if nothing else works, try resetting all settings. Navigate to Settings, scroll down and open General Management, then open the Reset and go to Reset All Settings. Tap on the Reset Settings option. Enter your password and confirm. This won't delete your data, but will restore system settings for a cleaner performance boost. Follow these 7 simple tips and your phone will feel brand new again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.